Hey everybody, it is Zach at River Valley Marine. Stick with me, we're going to give you a full video walk around of one of the most impressive surf boats in the industry, the new Cobalt R8 Surf. So as we look at the Cobalt R8 Surf, it is a true thing of beauty, and we can start inside or out, but we are going to start right here on the outside. There's a handful of things you're going to notice on the R8 Surf. First off is it is set for surfing. You're going to notice the forward drive, surf gate technology, beautiful ballast system inside, beautiful profile to the boat. As you work around the outside of this boat, you're going to notice fine features like those big oversized pull-out cleats on the back, stainless steel rub rail. You'll notice the black deck on this boat, new feature. You can get a colored deck in 2026, a tower that is absolutely lights out. This particular boat has the Helm sound system, which is your top tier sound system for the boat. Work our way to the transom. Small features like a transom shower in the back. Helm sound system here in the back. You can see them all lit up. You've got the beautiful surf logos in this boat, the light up logos in the back. You also have the flip down swim step, an awesome feature for getting on and off the boat. Work our way over here and you've got that beautiful flag set up. You've got sound control back here. You have cup holders tucked underneath. And we'll focus a little bit on the sun pad area because it is special. You'll notice that flip-flop forward-facing seat. You can flip the backrest forward, giving you this beautiful lounge right here in the cockpit or right here at the transom. And then you've got a second integrated backrest right here. That is wonderful if you're putting on a wakeboard or if you're feeding the rope out to your friends. A great place just to sit back. Now as we enter the boat, look at this big walk-through transom. That is a beautiful way to get on and off the boat without stepping on any seats. You'll notice the battery charger plug-in right here at the transom. As you walk in, you've got full wraparound combings, cup holders tucked underneath, beautiful amount of seating. Truly, absolutely gorgeous. That beautiful gray with the black color tones in this boat. Nice flooring in it. You're going to notice cup holders everywhere. I love that about Cobalt. They do a great job. Look at the finish work underneath. Looks amazing. And as you work your way through the boat, you're going to notice small features like the removable table. Lots of stainless steel grab rails. You'll notice the boat does have heat, and you've got heat ports coming out the bottom. Scuppers, 2 of them in the back. And again, I'm going slow because the beauty is worth seeing. Love the flip-up bolster here for the driver or for the passenger. And that seat can flip forward, giving you this backwards-facing lounge. Wonderful for spotting people while they're out doing water sports. Look at the tower a little bit. You've got board racks, Helm speakers. Love the way that tower is. You're going to notice for surfing, you've got line pulls here. And then for wakeboarding, you've got your tow eye up top. But a beautiful tower setup on this R8. As we keep working our way through the boat, we have to look at some of the finer things like the head compartment. That really starts to set this apart in the surf boat category because very few surf boats are going to have a head. But boy, does that extend your day on the water. Work our way over to the helm. This is a highlight area of the R8 Surf. Take a look at those dual Garmin touchscreens. Absolutely amazing. Love the way they do that eyebrow arch over the top. Stainless steel supports there. You've got the flush mount buttons, and I like how they light up, telling you that you have stuff on. Wireless phone charger off to your right. Lenco trim tabs off to your right below that. Storage just to the left. 3-spoke tilt wheel. Your stereo head unit control here, ignition, and down to the right side of the driver would be the power assist for the power driver seat, up, down, forward, back, windlass controls along with your heater controls, 3-speed heater controls. Nice armrest, nice netted storage down below that. The boat is yacht certified, if you can see the capacity plate down there, and cup holders, and I love that the one is oversized and deep for those large tumblers. Let's continue working our way forward. You've got a nice wide entry going to this big, beautiful bow section. And by big, I mean big. And beautiful, I mean they cut zero corners when it comes to the finish work in this bow. You can see the USB outlets, a number of cup holders, beautiful finish work throughout, and different use of upholsteries and vinyls. You've got flip down armrest, the beautiful cobalt badging, and that color combo, again, that gray with the blacks really stand out. Different use of upholsteries down underneath, stainless grab rails that are inset, that just really looks beautiful. Another area we got to look at is the way they do this windlass. The windlass chute is a stainless windlass chute. It's going to go out to your stainless windlass, which is gorgeous looking. You have windlass controls in here, tie off, but easy access to all your line or rod and chain. It is a beautiful windlass compartment on the R8. So we'll talk a little about storage because I think Cobalt does it better than anyone. Up in the front, you've got drainable big storage right under the bow seat. Over on the port side, you also have a big storage compartment. And then on the starboard side, under the helm, look at this flip up for that big storage compartment under there. We have all the bow filler cushions are tucked in there, and there's room to spare. And then if we work our way to the back of the boat, on the starboard side, right behind the driver, you have this beautiful compartment. You can see the soft-sided cooler that comes with the boat is in there. And then if we work our way over to the port side of the boat, you've got this huge storage compartment. Right now it's filled with some of the boat material, garbage can, the air compressor for the compressor system, along with your battery switches are tucked underneath there. But a lot of beautiful storage in the R8 Surf. And I forgot to mention the secondary garbage can, which is tucked right behind the driver's storage area there as well. And even though some of your in-floor storage is used for ballast tanks on the R8 Surf, they still gave you this large, and I mean large, in-floor storage area right here in the middle. And we certainly can't leave the inside of the boat without looking at the power plant. Now sometimes, as impressive as the 430 horse V8 Volvo is in that forward drive, look at the cleanliness and the rigging that's done in this motor compartment. Yes, you do have some room taken up by the ballast tanks on both sides. I believe between the in-floor ballast, the back ballast, you're right around 2,600 pounds of ballast on this boat. You match that with this Volvo forward-facing drive along with the surf gate, and the wake is absolutely impressive. But take a look at this motor compartment and just how well organized it is. Everything is loomed very nicely. Your batteries are nice and organized, fire extinguishing systems, your ballast pumps underneath nice and organized, even the transducer is accessible. All your through hulls are valved, very easy to access. Your battery charger, that is a beautiful motor compartment on this R8 Surf. So that there gives you just a real quick video walk around of the exterior and the interior and some of the mechanics and features of the Cobalt R8 Surf. An absolutely beautiful boat that is just full of rich features, premium quality throughout, and a boat that certainly won't disappoint. I would be glad to talk to you more about the boat, answer more questions, or any questions you might have. Please message me, call, text, reach out any way needed. Be glad to help you out. Again, I'm Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota, and we appreciate you taking the time to view the Cobalt R8 Surf.